Hi, this is Lisa from Pivot 2 Solutions. Today we are going to be discussing how to make the most of your formatting SmartView options. I'll be explaining how to set up your options to optimize your analytics. You can access your SmartView options by clicking on the Options button on your SmartView ribbon on the top pane. The specific formatting options can be found on the left-hand pane, fourth from the top. You have multiple options regarding how your retrieved data is displayed from the database. You can choose 1. To use the 1000 separator, which will automatically place a 1000 separator in numerical data. 2. Use cell styles. As covered in our previous cell styles tutorial, this will apply your cell style selections to your current grid. And 3. Use Excel formatting, meaning if you have a specific format of colours you use for your data to display, then you can select Excel formatting and these changes will be saved and used even after the sheet is refreshed. Now there is a child option of Move Formatting on Operation that will mean that your Excel formatting will then get transferred to any children you drill into. But this does really slow down the performance, so it's not recommended. Retain numeric formatting means when you drill down in dimensions, it retains the Excel formatting you have set from the Excel Home ribbon. In this example, you can see if I select the $ display and then refresh, my formatting is cleared. But if I go and select the Retain Numeric Formatting option and perform the same action, my $ are now retained. This is really useful if you have a specific Excel reporting format you are using for your output. Adjusting column width and row height will mean your columns and rows will automatically resize to fit the narrative or values that are in your cells, such as larger numbers or longer descriptions, rather than cutting them off as per the members shown here in column A. The next 4 items should be set up in your database, so we don't recommend adjusting here. The last Repeat Member Form label may be useful when you are accessing a form in Excel where repeated members have been merged into one cell but out of screen view, which may cause unnecessary up and down scrolling. As formatting options are sheet level options, you will need to decide whether to hit OK to save on current sheet, or Default for all sheets, or all sheets for those in the current workbook. So that's our quick look at the formatting options available to you in SmartView. If you have any further questions or feedback, please reach out to us via our website or YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you next time on our Pivot 2 tutorials.